Yes, dear students. Now question number 6. What is given in question number 6? If angle A and angle B are acute angles. A triangle is given. Let triangle is ABC. Let triangle is ABC. And in this triangle, angle A and angle B are acute angles. Let it is angle A and it is angle B. Then this point will be C and it is of 90 degree. Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that what is given, what we will write in triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are acute angles. Acute angles means angle less than 90 degree and angle C is equal to 90 degree. And one more condition is given, cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. Now, what we have to show or to prove angle A is equal to angle B. To prove or to show angle A is equal to angle B. Proof. Yes, dear students. First of all, we will find the values of cos A and cos B. Because our given condition is that cos A is equal to cos B, then we will use this condition and we will find the values of cos A and cos B from this triangle. Yes, beta, cos A means angle is A. If this is angle, then this will behave as base and this will be perpendicular. And AB is hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to, what is the value of cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. If theta is A, then base will be AC and hypotenuse will be AB. Let it is equation number 1. Now we have to find the value of cos B. Yes, beta, cos B. If this is our angle, then this BC will behave as a base and it will be our perpendicular. Why it is base? Beta, theta, side adjacent to the given angle is base and side opposite to the angle is perpendicular. Then cos B, according to this cos B, we know that cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. This will behave as base, means in this case BC is base and AB is hypotenuse. Then, but cos A is equal to cos B. It is given. It is given in statement. Then from equation first and second, we can put the values of cos A and cos B. What is the value of cos A? AC divided by AB and it is equal to BC divided by AB. Yes, beta, if AC divided by AB is equal to BC by AB, then AC is equal to BC. Now come to the triangle. In triangle ABC, what we have proved, because AC is equal to BC and this we have proved above, these two sides are equal, then side opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal means, so angle A is equal to angle B, and this property is known as isosceles triangle property. So by using isosceles triangle property, we have proved that angle A is equal to angle B, and this only we have to prove. Then what we will write? Hence proved. Yes, dear students, what we have done, we have using the concept of this trigonometric ratios cos theta, because cos A and cos B is given, then we will find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is based upon hypotenuse. If angle A is there, then this AC will behave as base and this BC will behave as perpendicular. Then cos A will equal to AC divided by AB. Now cos B, this is angle B and this will behave as base, means BC divided by AB. And we know that cos A is equal to cos B, then we can compare from the values, these equations, first and second values of cos A and cos B. Cos A is AC by AB and cos B is BC by AB. So AC is equal to BC. Now come to this triangle ABC, because AC is equal to BC means it is an isosceles triangle, and we know that if two sides of a triangle are equal, then angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and this property is called isosceles triangle property. So using this property, angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved. Now question number 7. What is given in question number 7? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Trigonometric ratio cot theta is given and its value is 7 by 8. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Yes, dear students, and in second part we have to find cot square theta. Now come to its first part. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Yes, beta, first of all we have to find the value of sine theta and cos theta using this cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, sorry. As we know that cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, as cot theta is reciprocal of tangent theta. This is cot theta, and cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. And if we have taken this as theta, then it will be our base and it will be our perpendicular and it will be our hypotenuse. Like this is triangle ABC. Now using this, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, it is given. Now by comparing, like it is first and it is second, so from first and second, B by P is equal to 7 by 8. As we have done in earlier questions, then B is equal to 7K, P is equal to 8K. Yes, beta, base 7K, perpendicular 8K. First of all, we will find the value of this hypotenuse. So, by Pythagoras theorem, this AC square will equal to AB square plus BC square. And what is the value of AB? AB is perpendicular, or simply we can write h square is equal to p square plus b square. We have to find the value of h, and what is the value of p? P is 8k here. H square is equal to 8k whole square plus b. B is 7k. This b is base, 7k whole square. H square is equal to 864k square plus 49k square. Then this h square will equal to, on adding these we will get 113k square, and h is equal to square root of 113k square, means h is equal to square root of 113k. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and in this case perpendicular is 8k and hypotenuse is square root of 113k. K cancel out, we will get 8 divided by root 113. Now cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and here base is 7k divided by square root of 113k. K cancel out, and it is equal to 7 by root 113. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. As we can observe that this is a plus b into a minus b, means using identity. First of all, we will bring these in simple form, and we are using identity. Which identity? A plus b into a minus b, and it is equal to a square minus b square. We will use this identity here. According to this identity, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta will equal to 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, it will equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now simply we can put these values. On putting these values, 1 minus sine theta is 8 upon root 113 and its square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta is 7 by root 113 whole square. Now on solving, what we will get? 1 minus 64 by 113, because on squaring the square root will cancel out, and here 1 minus 49 divided by 113. Now we will solve this numerator part and denominator part separately. Taking LCM, LCM will be 113, and 113 minus 64 we will get as numerator part, and in denominator 113 as LCM, 113 minus 49. On subtracting, what we will get? Here 49 divided by, from here 113 minus 49 we will get 64 divided by 113, and on simplifying it we will get 49 divided by 113 into 113 divided by 64. 113 cancel out. What is left? 49 divided by 64. This is our answer of first part. Now in second part we have to find the cot square theta. As we know, cot theta is 7 by 8. Then this cot square theta will equal to 7 by 8 whole square, means 49 by 64. This is the answer of second part. This is your question number 7.